Hello there friends and welcome to the channel. I'm Ashley from the Loopy Lamb, and today I hope that you'll dive into the world of cute crochet dogs with me with a review of Crochet Your Own Dog by Mieko Shindo. And thanks to the publisher of this book, Zakka Workshop, I have a copy of this book to give away to one lucky winner. So keep watching to find out how you can enter to win a copy for yourself. So let's jump right in. I thought this book was super cute, and it has 10 crochet patterns to make 14 Amigurumi dogs. The difference between the patterns is how the dog is posed. So you can have your dog sitting, standing, or laying down. And if you want a full list of the different poses and what dogs are doing what, you can find that over on the blog, theloopylamb.com, which I've linked to in the description box below. The toys are created by creating usually approximately 8 to 10 pieces and seaming all those pieces together. And the magic that happens is when you add the fur. You're going to graft a lot of different pieces of yarn to the body of your dog, and then you're going to either brush it out or give it a trim. And there's a variety of different ways that you're going to add detail to your little toy. And they're super cute. I love how the author she just captured the expression of these dogs, and they really do look lifelike. The patterns are written in the US terminology, but I couldn't find anywhere where a skill level was listed. But based on my experience, I feel like they lean more towards the intermediate to advanced skill levels. But don't let that stop you. If you are a beginner and you want to get started making your own amigurumi dog, you can absolutely do so. But I do recommend starting with a few other easier amigurumi projects before tackling one of these. You can absolutely get there with some patience and some practice. The supports in this book focus more towards how the pieces are made and assembled, which is really great if you're a visual learner. And I thought that there were a few different things that were added that were really, really helpful. However, I think that makers need to be an experienced amigurumi maker. You need to understand your abbreviations and the basic stitches, because I did find some supports in that capacity were missing, or I just couldn't find them in the book. So I do think that those are things that you need to be aware of when you're going to start working in this book. Overall, I think Crochet Your Own Dog is a really cool book, and I love how the author brought the dogs to life. I really, really love the little papillon in this book, and I really need to find some time in order to fit making one of those in. I would recommend this book for intermediate to advanced crocheters who don't mind a little bit of problem solving and have the patience to sit through grafting all of that fur onto your dog to create a true masterpiece. Now, if you're interested in entering to win a copy of Crochet Your Own Dog for yourself, you can head on over to the written version of this review, which I've linked in the description box below for you, and check out the review, and you'll find in that post the full giveaway details as well as the entry form. And that's it for today, friends. I hope that you found this review helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you like free crochet patterns, head on over to the blog, theloopylamb.com, where I've got over 200 free crochet patterns and counting, and many of which have step-by-step video tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.